If Monday.com is giving you a server connection error or a network error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These issues are usually caused by a temporary server problem, a weak internet connection, a VPN or proxy conflict, browser extensions, or cached data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is refresh the page and wait a few minutes. Sometimes Monday.com is experiencing a temporary outage or a brief connection issue, and the error clears itself after the service stabilizes. So start simple by reloading the page and giving it a short wait before trying again. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected properly, and if possible, switch to a different network. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you are on a company network, test it on a home network instead. A weak or restricted network can easily cause Monday.com to fail loading properly. If that does not solve it, turn off any VPN or proxy you are using, then refresh Monday.com again. VPNs and proxies can interfere with secure connections and sometimes trigger server or network errors inside web apps. Disabling them temporarily is a quick way to see whether they are the cause. Now let's check browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other extensions that might interfere with Monday.com. These extensions can block parts of the website from loading correctly, which often leads to connection problems. After disabling them, refresh the page and test again. If the issue is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. Old or corrupted browser data can cause Monday.com to load the wrong session information or fail to connect properly, so this step is often very effective. After that, sign out of Monday.com completely and then sign back in. Sometimes your session just needs to be refreshed, and logging out and back in can restore a clean connection. If Monday.com had trouble validating your account session, this step can often fix it right away. If you have tried all of those steps and the error continues, the problem may be on Monday.com's side. In that case, wait a little longer and try again later, or check Monday.com's status if available. But in most cases, one of the fixes in this video will solve the issue. So to recap, refresh and wait, check your internet, switch networks if needed, turn off VPN or proxy, disable browser extensions, clear cache and cookies, and then sign out and sign back in. Those are the main steps to fix a Monday.com server connection error or network error quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.